Because you demand more and more efficiency on today's job sites, Volvo presents its new ECR48C short radius compact excavator. The new ECR48C compact excavator is built to enable you to get all jobs done, from the simplest to the most complex, with Volvo's efficiency and safety. The ECR48C turns in the width of its tracks. This absence of rear overhang enables you to work in narrow or congested areas safely. The floating hydraulic angle blade eliminates repetitive repositioning while leveling. The two-speed travel permits fast return for more efficiency. The float blade simplifies leveling work. Volvo's new tracks with shorter transverse pitch allow 10% faster speed, along with less vibrations and more comfort. When needed and depending on the load, the high speed automatically switches to the low speed for optimum productivity. For even more versatility, there is a second double-acting hydraulic circuit. Using the joystick, you can control any attachment, including tilt rotators or shears. For special and heavier attachments, there are two choices of optional counterweights available. The undercarriage is X-shaped. Made up of heavy-duty, rigid steel, it performs with better side distribution of the loads and a long life. Optional safety valves on the boom and the dipper cylinder prevent the boom or dipper from slipping or falling due to hose failure. To get the most out of existing resources, the ECR48C excavator features a 5-ton bucket interface that is compatible with the buckets intended for EC45 Pro, EC55B and ECR58 excavators. Productivity and power remain the essential criteria of an excavator for contractors and operators. With the Volvo ECR48C, they are guaranteed to get the best. All of this remains possible thanks to the Volvo Engine. The high-performance Volvo Engine offers industry-leading fuel efficiency with quiet and low-emission operation. After 5 seconds of non-operation of any control, the engine reverts to idling speed. This reduces consumption and noise. Widely tested and proven, it resists all stresses through the hydraulics. On the hydraulic attachment circuit, the proportional control allows the operator to precisely adjust the quantity of fluid required. The Volvo patented monopump system enables the power delivered to be dynamically controlled. This means more interactivity and more output from the operator for even more saving. Access for maintenance is easy and quick. Surprise-free maintenance for daily use and maximum uptime. The side position engine hood opens easily and provides easy access to all major checkpoints. This makes for easy daily maintenance with no wasted time. The fuel tank is easy to fill thanks to its large opening. It is located behind a lockable panel that protects it against vandalism. The toolbox, located in the same area, benefits from the same protection. Protection. protecting the safety of people, surroundings and environment is one of Volvo's constant priorities. Comfort, visibility and ergonomics. Everything in the Volvo ECR48C Excavator is designed to improve the operator's performances. The Volvo cab is spacious. It is unequaled in terms of comfort and working space. The all-around visibility is excellent thanks to a large glazed surface area. The retractable seat belt keeps the operators of all sizes safe in the seat. The cab is equipped with isolation mounts to reduce vibrations and noise. The new high-back seat offers comfortable support and the possibility of multiple adjustments to suit all the operator preferences. Air conditioning makes it possible to work in all weather and all seasons. Improved comfort leads to less fatigue all year round. This is the guarantee of an increased productivity. At the controls, the possibility of combining slew and offset movements into a single and natural motion provides quicker and more precise control. The consoles and joysticks are installed on the same suspension as the seat. This neutralizes jolting and reduces the operator fatigue. The operator also has the possibility of choosing the configuration pattern that he is most familiar with, either ISO or SAE. The door remains protected in the open position by a locking system. The cabs and canopies are certified as compliant with the FOPS 1, ROPS and TOPS standards. The fully opening lower front window can be hooked safely onto the windscreen. The unit locks safely into position. The spacious one-piece floor is easy to clean. This is the new ECR48C short radius compact excavator. It is built to enable you to get all your projects done today, tomorrow and in the years to come. The ECR48C has everything you need. With the ECR48C, you have the best of technical innovation. Quality parts and components which last. The legendary Volvo comfort, easy maintenance, profit-growing efficiency, and finally the best of Volvo's world-renowned safety.